I know they had a little error supposed to say stay healthy on a busy schedule. And then it says you also have Mary Kay Consultant. Then you have, of course, the YouTube channel, and then it says subscribe now. Ooh, like and subscribe. Today we're gonna make some burgers. As you can see, we have the provolone cheese. When we want to go ahead and eat healthy, we have some vegan chips here with some ranch flavor, of course the tomatoes and the iceberg, and a little bit of the onion. So here it is. So let's get started. And here we have the beginning stages as far as mixing it together, because we're going to do the ground beef. As you can see, there's a lot of different things: onion, bell peppers, garlic, breadcrumbs. It also has an egg in there, has the McCormick seasoning, a lot of different things before you start mixing it up and turning it into patties. And here we have them as patties after we done patted it together. Of course, for staying healthy, we have the vegetable oil that's in the back. And as we go along here, we have them here in the different frying pan as it starts to cook. It is not all the way to the point you need to turn them over, but it's getting a little light color in, so you know it's getting cooked. Of course, on the top, of course, you can see the rawness of the beef. Give it a little bit more time before we flip it over. You kind of don't want to flash it down, and you don't want to get to a point where you flip it on all the time either, because you want to make sure it is fully cooked. Now, some of the other things that I wanted to incorporate with it would be the tomatoes, the baby spinach, and of course some iceberg lettuce, and probably dice up some onions. Here we have the finished patties with the provolone cheese on top. As you can see, it's completely fully cooked. There's a few of them on here, and then we have some that's still going in the pot. And this is the finished product. You have the hamburger with the provolone cheese, the lettuce, tomato, spinach. Till next time, this is Miss Sparkling Memories. Bye-bye.